Hi guys, today we'll be talking about this Nissan Pathfinder. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you where's the OBD port and fuse box location. If you stay till there's the end of the video, I'll show you where spare tire location. So if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. So OBD port, if you need to plug in the computer or something, or DQ, you have OBD port. It's located right in here, right under the steering wheel. So to get to our first fuse box location, it won't be anywhere here. It's gonna be on the passenger side. So let's go to the passenger side. So if you come here and you open your glove department, and there's your slot right here. Pry this up, and there's your fuses. And the location of them are right here on the lid. See if we can get it closer. There it is. Close it back up. You just line this up. And that's how you get to this fuse box location. Close it, and to get to your second one, you're gonna have to open the hood. The hood's located right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it shows right there, right under the steering wheel. And you just pull, and that should open your hood. And you come here. There's gonna be a latch right there. You move it this way. Put your stand on. Once this is on, there's your other fuse locations. So I'm not sure if that counts, but that's probably second, third, and fourth. But this is probably relay, both of them, or maybe there's some fuses. So if you open this one up, all you do is pry this up, right there, pry it up, and there it is, your relays. And that's what they're for: coolant pump, trailer towing, and trailing towing number 2. To close it, just line up the back, pop it, and to open this one, you also have to pry it, not this, but on the bottom a little bit, just like that. There's few of your fuses right there, and locations are right here. Let me get closer so you can see. There it is. To close it, just line it up. Make sure it clicks. And that should be your last one. Push this button, that comes up. And there's your fuses located. The location of them. And there's your fuses and relays. To slide, if you want to slide this up, there's like a latch here and a latch here, and you can slide that up. To close it, it's this way. This piece goes this way, like this. Line it up. Make sure it clicks, and there you go, it's closed. If you know more location of fuses, please comment below. And also I'll show you where the spare tire is located. Spare tire located, it's most of the trucks and not all probably SUVs, but this one's located right in here, in the rear, underneath. That's where it's located. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.